Today we are here to showcase our creativity and ideas at the SS Fair. 7th A group number 2 representing SS Fair. So today's our topic is types of rainfall, cyclonic, orographic and convectional. So let me introduce you to my group members. Myself Kartavya, Chaudhary Netra, Kumawat Komal, Shakunj, Malvi Anuj and Bharwani Pratham. So
Mahir, come here. Sit down.
So now I will explain rainfall. Rainfall is a liquid water droplets that come from clouds to the earth's surface and is a form of precipitation. It occurs when moist air rises, cools, condenses and forms rain. When the cloud gets heavy enough with the water, it comes on the earth's surface due to the gravity. Rainfall is essential for replenishing fresh water, water cycle and supporting life. There are mainly three types of rainfall: cyclonic, orographic and convectional. Now I would like to call Netra for explaining cyclonic rainfall.
Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall happens when the warm moist air from the sea rises upward due to low pressure system. Happens due to the convergence of wind rises up from sea due to low pressure system. First, the air cools, condenses, and the rain falls. Places and where cyclonic rainfall occurs: North Gujarat, South Gujarat, North Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. Now I would like to call Komal.
Do you know how orographic rainfall occurs? Orographic rainfall occurs when moist air is forced to rise over a mountain or hill. It causes, cools, conducts, and form a rain on a windward side. You know what is windward and leeward side? Windward side is a side which is facing the which is facing the ocean and the rain. It's called the windward side. And leeward side, after the rain, there is a dryness on. After the rain, there is a dryness on leeward side, and the leeward side get very less rainfall on that side, and because of it, dryness is also there. Here, the point is showing this. Goa and Karnataka, these places are experiencing orographic rainfall every year, but these both are a windward side, and downside that is Tamil Nadu, which is the leeward side. Now I would like to call Navya for convectional rainfall.
Convectional rainfall is a type of rainfall that occurs when the warm moist air is rise upwards, too quickly cool, condenses and form rain. Here, places experiencing convectional rainfall. Regions frequently affected include the Chotanagpur Plateau, the Ganga Plain and the parts of states like Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Now I would like to call Netra for advantages and disadvantages of cyclonic.
Following shown are advantages and disadvantages of cyclonic rainfall. Advantages of cyclonic rainfall: provide widespread and steady rainfall, recharges groundwater and help maintain water level in rivers and lakes. Supports agriculture by supplying moisture to crops, especially in dry regions. Disadvantages of cyclonic rainfall: causes floods due to very heavy rainfall and continuous rainfall. Damages crops and farmlands, leading to agriculture loss, destroy infrastructure such as roads, houses and power. Now I would like to call Komal.
There are some advantages are also there of cyclonic rain, orographic rainfall. It creates fertile valley on windward side because of condensed moisture. Also provide reliable water supplies for rivers, springs and groundwater, and help agriculture of area that depends on steady. Now, in other hand, there is disadvantages are also there of orographic rainfall, cause soil erosion on step, and then second is there is limited agriculture on leeward side. As you know, there is a less rainfall, and because of it, dryness and lack of water is also there. Now I want to call Navya for further speech.
Advantages and disadvantages of convectional rainfall. Advantages: provides quick and intense rainfall to tropical crops. Second, common in equatorial regions causing forest. Third, it also gives fresh water supplies to in hot climates. Disadvantages: leading to frequent thunderstorms and lightning. Second, it can also the rainfall is irregular and short, not suitable for all crops. Now I would like to call Netra.
Air cools and condenses forming clouds. Warm, moist air is forced to rise over high areas. Air cools and condenses forming clouds. Now I would like to call Pune.
Now there is a question why the windward side get less rainfall and windward side get more rainfall and why leeward side get less rainfall, because when air is forced to rise over a mountain, then the cloud is heavy because of water, and it's because of mountain the cloud gets stuck and it collides with the mountain, so the rainfall is occurring one side of the mountain, and this side after a rainy there is a dryness there, so there is less rainfall. Now I want to call Kavya.
In convectional rainfall, because from the sun energy, it hits the ground and then evaporation occurs. The warm moist air goes upward and cools, then form a cloud, and then the rain happens. Types of rainfall in short. This is a picture of cyclonic, orographic and convectional. Now I would like to call Netra for explaining her cyclonic model.
This is a model of cyclone. I have made this model using thermocol, cotton and some fur. From here, air cools and condenses forming clouds. Warm air and moist air rises and rivers things areas. Air cools and condenses forming clouds. From pipe, if we will push the water from here the clouds will get heavy and the water will fall. As you can see here, the water is falling. It shows rainfall.
This is my model of convectional rainfall. In my model, you can see first the sun hits the water. First, because of this, the air near the water becomes warm. Warm air is so light, so it rises up into the sky. When this warm air going higher, it becomes cool. The water vapor energy changes into tiny water drops. This is called condensation and cloud forms. After some time, the cloud becomes heavy with water. It cannot hold more water. Because of this, and rain started falling down. This type of rainfall is known as convectional rainfall. In my model, you can see warm air going up, condensation in the cloud, and rain falling down. Thank you. I would like to call Komal for explaining her model.
So here you can see my orographic rainfall model. Now I would like to explain step by step the process of orographic rainfall. So first, due to the heat of sun, the evaporation takes place from the ocean and water vapor rises becomes moist air, and moist air is forced to rise over a mountain. When the moist air reaches the mountain, it becomes cool because of cooling and conducts a cloud. Because of mountain, the cloud gets stuck and these clouds are heavy due to respiration, and the side of mountain which facing the ocean and a rainfall, it called the windward side, as you can see in my model, and this is the leeward side which after a rain we can dry and get less rainfall. Thank
Why
you.
is the moist air forced to go up?
Because of force of air.
Moist air only, right? Why is it allowed to go up? Said the moist air is forced to go up.
Because of evaporation.
That process is called evaporation. But why does the moist air rise up?
Because the heating of sun.
Because hot air rises up.
Now I want like to call Kunj for explaining charts.
This is a my chart. I am explaining cyclonic rainfall caused by rising of moist air in a low pressure system. Now I am going to news.
This is a cyclonic chart. In this greenery part, which words side which faces more than rainfall? And please leeward side. Its face very less rainfall as lock for water in there. Now I will call Navya.
Why have you painted that windward side green color? And why leeward is brown?
Green side is red because there it is facing rainfall and new plants grow.
It doesn't face rainfall. The rain falls first there only. And why that is brown?
Because there is no rainfall.
Because there is very less rainfall and because of their dryness is there.
Yes.
Here is a contextual rainfall chart. First, the energy from the sun heats the ground. The warm ground
Warm.
heats the layer of air above moisture, and then the warm moist air pockets of air due to the convection currents rapidly rises. Rising cools, condenses and form clouds. Then the precipitation occurs. Now I would like to end my speech with thanking ma'am, teachers,